did you obtain a search warrant to get the security video footage from Sean Gathrights' home in Jacksonville, Florida?
Yes, I did.
When did you get that search warrant?
I'd have to look at the report for the exact
Would
date.
that help refresh your recollection?
Yes, please. July 8th, 2024.
And that residence of Sean Gathright, that is 13751 Victoria Lakes Drive, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's that located?
In Jacksonville,
What county?
Duval.
Did you have to get the assistance of the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office to assist in executing that search warrant?
Specifically for the camera footage, no, because it's served directly to Vivint as a remote offsite. So I obtained the search warrant in Hillsborough County and electronically delivered it to Vivint.
Okay. And did we obtain, I'm going to show you States Exhibit 79 and 98. Was there video footage that was collected from that Vivint security camera of Sean Gathrights?
Yes.
And after you received them via search warrant, how were the videos presented to you?
They were delivered electronically.
And could you tell the timestamp of each particular video?
Yes, so the video, the name of the file, these are digital electronic files. The name of the file is the date and timestamp of the beginning of that video. So in reverse order, so year, month, day, and then the exact time that that specific video starts.
And I'm going to show, or let me show you States Exhibit 79 and 98. Are these videos, one containing a composite of all the videos together, as well as a DVD containing all of the relevant videos individually?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, we'd introduce into evidence States Exhibit 79 and 98.
Any objection?
No objection.
Okay, admitted.
Detective, before I ask you some questions, were there two time periods that you were able to locate on this video footage of Sean Gathrights' residence that were pertinent to this investigation?
Yes.
What was the first time period that you looked at?
I looked at footage from when before the group came down from Jacksonville in the afternoon hours of Saturday the 22nd, and then the second time period was their arrival when they got back from Tampa in the late afternoon of Sunday the 23rd.
What was the date of when you first were looking at? What was the date you were looking at?
It was Saturday the 22nd.
That's the Saturday before the victim was killed, is that correct?
Yes.
And then the second date that you were looking at?
Sunday the 23rd.
And that is when they are being dropped off by the Uber driver?
Correct.
And Detective, the timestamp is not reflected on this, is that correct?
No, it would be on the name of the file of this specific clip. So similar to the Ring, they're short activations, motion sense.
But this is occurring on June 22nd of 2024?
Yes, this is Isaiah Chance's arrival at Sean Gathrights' house in the early hours of the afternoon of Saturday, June 22nd.
This a different camera view,
Yes,
still on June 22nd of 2024.
correct.
And each of these small video clips, was the name of the file of the video clip, did it include the date and time of the video itself?
Yes.
And approximately what is the time range when we're looking at him at SeanGathright's house on June 22nd of 2024?
Approximately 2 p.m. On the 22nd.
And what is he doing in this picture?
He appears to be moving bags from his registered BMW into the residence at this point.
Again, same time period, but showing different angle camera, is that correct?
Correct.
Again, what is he doing now?
Appears to be pulling out 2 pairs of shoes from his back seat and bringing them into the house.
Okay, who do we see now?
Co-defendant Sean Gathright stepping out of his front door.
What is Mr. Gathright doing now?
He's removing items from his trunk and bringing them inside.
And what trunk is he removing it from?
This is the suspect black Chevy Impala that was used in this homicide.
What does Mr. Gathright have in his hand at that moment?
A cell phone.
Again, reviewing Mr. Gathright's cell phone data and cell site information, did his cell site information put him at his house during this time period?
Correct.
What's he doing now?
Appears to be removing some kind of lighting equipment from his trunk and bringing it inside.
Lighting equipment for photography?
Yes.
So that is not in his vehicle.
It looks like it was taken into the house.
Again, who's appearing now in this video?
Co-defendant Isaiah Chance stepped out and is walking to his BMW.
Can you describe what's going on now?
At this point, they're starting to bring out bags that they're going to load into the Impala.
what color are the bags that he's bringing out?
A pink one in his left and a blue one in his right.
What's he doing now?
Opening up the front passenger door of his BMW, carrying a blanket.
What's happening here?
At this point, co-defendant Isaiah Chance leaves to go pick up defendant Alicia Andrews.
What's in this video?
This is after arriving back from picking up Alicia.
What's going on now?
These appear to be some door-to-door type salesmen, and they apparently talking to Alicia in the front passenger seat there.
Who's that?
Co-defendant Isaiah Chance.
Detective, what's happening now?
Sean Gathright and the Apollo had left for a little while. He's returning now, and defendant Alicia Andrews is coming out of the front passenger seat. of Isaiah Chance's BMW, and Isaiah Chance is coming out of the rear passenger side of his vehicle.
Where does Miss Andrews go?
She goes into the Impala. It appears the back seat.
Okay, if we now jump to the next day, June 23rd of 2024,
Yes.
and approximately what time?
This is approximately between 6 and 7 p.m. on the 23rd.
And is this the first time you are now seeing Rashad Murphy on video footage?
Correct.
Does he come out of that Uber driver's vehicle?
Yes.
And who are the other two occupants of the Uber driver's vehicle?
Defendant Alicia Andrews and co-defendant Isaiah Chance.
And who's holding that pink duffel bag?
Co-defendant Rashad Murphy.
Is that the same pink duffel bag, or appears to be the same pink duffel bag originally carried out of the house on June 22nd of 2024?
It appears to be.
Why you outside, bro? Why you outside, bro?
What do we see now?
Defendant Alicia Andrews and co-defendants Rashad Murphy and Isaiah Chance around Isaiah Chance's BMW.
And what happens to that pink bag?
It goes back into Sean Gaathright's house.
Does that appear to be the same pink bag that Alicia Andrews unloads from the Airbnb into the Uber?
It does appear to be, yes.
And do you capture the time when they finally leave?
Yes.
This time, who is in Isaiah Chance's BMW?
Defendant Alicia Andrews and co-defendant Rashad Murphy. And then co-defendant Isaiah Chance will drive it away.